Hello, I'm going to compare Anytype versus Capacities versus Obsidian versus Notion. So, Anytype, Capacities, Obsidian, and Notion are all powerful tools for note-taking and knowledge management, each with unique approaches. Anytype is offline first and local first. Capacities is structure focused. Obsidian is markdown based and extensible, while Notion is cloud-based with rich collaboration. Pros: Anytype offers privacy and data ownership. Capacities excels in organizing ideas contextually. Obsidian provides full auto customization and plugin support, and Notion is unmatched in team collaboration and integrations. So cons: Anytype is still in early development. Capacities may feel rigid to free-form thinkers. Obsidian has a learning curve for non-tech users, and Notion can be slow and lacks offline reliability. So in conclusion, choose Anytype for privacy, Capacities for structure, Obsidian for power users, and Notion for collaborative workflows.